Hello, I just received 2 rolls of filament in the mail from Eryone, the company that sells on Amazon here in the USA. And here's one of them right here I'd like to open up and show you guys. It's 1.75 silk gold, made in China. Vacuum sealed. Got a little moisture pack in it, silicone gel pack. That's a beautiful color. Looks really nice. Heavy duty reel, it's not flimsy. Got a big opening for your spool holder, not a small one like some companies have. Has a nice wind on it. It also has a piece of plastic film. It's like saran wrap covering it, holding it in place. Very nice. Let me go on to the next roll here and then we'll start doing some printing. But I thought I'd take a peek here. But they do sell what's on Amazon here in the USA. Here's my roll of Eryone Rainbow. Take a peek at it. Real pretty reel, a lot of pretty colors. Vacuum sealed, got a moisture packet in it, silicone gel pack. Take a peek, wow. That looks nice. 1.75 millimeter. And I made a mistake a while ago. I said that the gold was wrapped in cellophane on the edge. It's just that shiny. The same with this one. It's really super shiny. I thought it had cellophane over it, but it doesn't. It's just really super shiny. Boy, that's pretty. It's got a clear reel, and one side has a big sticker on the reel. Well, let me get this on the printer. Let's start printing some stuff and see how it comes out. That is some really pretty stuff. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, let me pause the camera here and I'll get it loaded up on the printer and let's make some toys and we'll go from there. Well, I'm all done printing with Eryone filament. I've got the gold and the rainbow, the silk gold and the rainbow filament, and everything came out great. I've got a vase here. I've done the rainbow. It has a very slow progression on changing colors for the simple fact that I don't have any infill in this. If I would have printed a much larger object, say a castle or something, had a lot of infill, then it would burn up more of the roll quicker and change colors quicker. But it came out really nice. And I got a vase here. I did not use vase mode on this. I believe I done, top layers obviously were 0 and my perimeter layers were 4 and I believe 5 on the bottom. But it came out very nice. It's very sturdy. It's a beautiful little spiral vase. Now I have a Groot here. He's kind of a purplish gold. We're done a slow progression on the filament change, or the color change I should say. One problem I had with Groot, the first time I tried to print it only printed about 1 inch high, and I'm not sure if I had a clog or what happened, which usually doesn't happen to me, but I came back in the room later and it was printing in midair, so I had to abort the print, restarted it, and the second time it printed fine, so I'm not sure if that was a filament problem or if it was my Ender 3 problem, but typically I don't have issues. But it came out really nice. Had no string on it whatsoever. I printed it with no supports. And then on the silk gold, I have another Groot here I did in all gold. They came out really beautiful. Detail is great on it. Really brilliant color. Very shiny. And I've done a large benchy here, the only benchy I've ever done. And yes, I do have lines in the print and I needed smoothers on my Ender 3, which I have put on it now. So in the future, hopefully that won't happen. But it came out really good. The detail's great. It's like the Game of Thrones version benchy. The chair in there looks like it's got swords in it. Really looks nice. Yeah, the colors are awesome. I got another spiral vase here, which is very thick and heavy duty. Done that in silk gold, looks really nice. So I printed 3 objects in the Silk Gold and 3 in the Rainbow. And my personal opinion of the filament, I had no issues with it other than when I first was printing Groot in the Rainbow. But other than that, it printed fine. I had no other issues. Came out really nice. It's a real pretty color. It's got a very big hole for your spool holder, so it's not small like one other company I know of. And the Eryone, I should say, Silk Gold. It almost looks like it's got a film on the side, like saran wrap, like I said in the beginning of the video, but it doesn't. It's just very shiny. But it printed really nice. So it took me a little bit to get this rest of this video done, but I have no problem with the product. They're on Amazon here in the US. They sell on Amazon, and it seems to be a great product. I have no issues with it whatsoever. So I'll post a few pictures here, some shots I did on my different things here you can look at. But thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day, and come join me over on 3DHP, 3D Printing and Painting on Facebook, or on my YouTube channel here. We'd love to have you. So thank you everybody, and have a great day.